Hello, good morning everybody. Today's our grammar lesson is about to and enough. We'll start with to. To must come before an adjective, and its meaning will be more than usual. It's too hot. I can't sleep. Though the reason that you cannot sleep that the weather is too hot. Another example, the glass is too fragile. I can't use it. That means the glass is too weak or breakable. You can use it for make hard things. Second, was enough. So enough must come after an adjective. To means that's sufficient. So the bag is big enough for all books. That means the bag is enough for all these books. Another example, the dress is good enough for you means the dress is suitable for you, so sufficient for you. Now with another usage of enough in negative sound. So we'll start with verb to be, not an adjective and enough. To means that is not sufficient. The shoes aren't big enough for me. That means it's too small. You can't wear it. Another example, the dress isn't good enough for you. That means the dress isn't suitable for you. Now is another usage of to. To means can't. He is too short to play basketball. That means he's very short. He can't play basketball. Another example, he is very old to play football. Means he is very old. He can't play football. Another example, she is very old to play ballet. That means she is very old. She can't play ballet. Another usage with enough. An adjective, enough, to plus infinitive. That means sufficient and make you able to do something and you can do it. I'm strong enough to lift this bag means I'm sufficient or I'm strong sufficient. I can lift it. Another example, it's warm enough to swim. That means the weather is warm, sufficient, I can swim. Another example, the tea is warm enough to drink. Means the tea is warm sufficient, you can drink it. Now was last usage between to and enough. A small comparison between to and enough. First, we are starting with to. He is too short to play basketball. That means he is very short to play basketball. And let's compare it with enough. He isn't tall enough to play basketball. That gives the same meaning, but now here in enough we have to start with negative and then get the opposite of the adjective to get the same meaning.